Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add funds in the Steam wallet. First, you need to open your website and log into your account. After logging to your account, you will see the screen. You have to go to your account details from here. Click on account details. Then you will see the first option of add funds to your Steam wallet. Click on that and you can see the values which you can add to your account. Click on the value. After clicking on value, you can see the payment. You can see the options of payment, Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, credit card, and debit card, and many more. So you have to select the option. You have to enter the card number and all the details they are asking for. After that, click on continue, and congratulations, you have added the amount to your Stream wallet. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.